Hey Amy, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks, Todd. And you?
I'm good, pretty good. Let's talk about our favorite things.
Okay.
What is your favorite food?
Ooh, my favorite food is avocado.
Avocado.
Honestly.
Wow.
How about you?
My favorite food is pizza, I think. I love pizza.
Oh, me too.
It's so good.
So delicious.
Yeah.
And what is your favorite movie?
Well, my favorite movie is Star Wars.
Classic.
I know. And you? What is your favorite movie?
Well, I do love Star Wars too, but my favorite movie is Ferris Bueller's Day Off.
Oh, I like that movie a lot. Oh, very good. Very good. So I was in high school the same time as the movie.
Were you?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
So cool. Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Jean Reno.
The Frenchman.
Yes, yes, he's French, but he has been in a lot of American movies too.
Yeah, I like the movie Leon.
Love it.
It's very cool.
Yes, I agree. How about you?
My favorite actor is Brad Pitt. So I
Yeah.
like Brad Pitt a lot.
He's great.
Yeah, he is good.
Very talented.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is probably spring, I think. It's the cold of winter has passed and it's not too hot yet. So I think spring. How about you? What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is fall or autumn. I love the fall. I love the colors. It is not hot. It is not cold. And there are many holidays. And my birthday is in the fall.
They are great reasons to love
Yeah.
autumn.
So, when is your birthday?
Actually, my birthday is also in the autumn. My birthday is in October.
Oh, wow. Me too. My birthday is in October.
That's right.
What day?
14th.
14th.
Yes. And you?
The 2nd. Yeah. Oh, cool. So next year, let's have a birthday party together.
Okay.
October birthday party.
Good idea.
So what is your favorite city?
My favorite city is probably Osaka.
Oh, in Japan.
Yes. Yes. So far. Yes, Osaka. It's very noisy and colorful, and the people are very open and talkative. So I really enjoyed Osaka.
Nice.
How about you? What's your favorite city?
I think my favorite city is Barcelona.
Oh, in Spain.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It is.
It's warm. It's beautiful. The food is delicious.
Yes.
The people are nice.
Yes.
But it's expensive.
Right.
A little bit.
Yeah.
But Osaka is expensive.
That's true.
Very expensive.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks, Todd.
Bye.
Bye.